Hey everyone, Thomas here coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com. This beautiful 1970 Dodge Challenger came in last night. Beautiful rotisserie restoration. Underneath is all body color on the car. The car's done right. 446 PEC RT clone car. Done to the top shelf all the freaking way. Anybody that sees this car in person is buying it, hands down. Check out the beautiful paint job throughout the car. Honestly, the paint feels like silk when you're rubbing your hand across the body. The car has been fully restored. Correct Goodyear polyglass tires all around. The correct rally wheels. Excellent body lines throughout the car. I also have photos of the entire restoration that was done. Barely any miles since the restoration. Excellent chrome, trim, spoiler, fuel gas tank, wheel, tire, opening moldings, emblems, sport mirrors, door handles, the antenna. There's your double scoop on the hood. You got your hood pins. Beautiful front grille along with the chrome bumper. The interior of this Challenger is also in immaculate condition. But first, let me slide this camera underneath. Okay. Look at that. 6 figures on the restoration. If anybody has restored a car, they understand the lingo that I'm talking. Let's check out the interior now. The trunk's been painted body color as well. Excellent bucket seat console car. Door panels, beautiful lips, inner outer door jambs, back seat, package tray, headliner, dash, cluster. Everything is immaculate on the car. To pop the hood on this particular one, you gotta pull out the hood pins, be very careful. Both sides. And on these Challengers, it's a 2-step to open up the hood. So the first step is to take this lever right here, go to the left, and then you're gonna pull this latch here to open. I did all that with one hand. Look at this. 446 PEC setup. Again, beautiful restoration throughout the car. Power steering, power brake. Everything looks correct. I don't have the build tag on the car, but the VIN is all in place. I'll share that with you in a moment. Close that. Get the hood pins back in. I'm gonna fire up this car, and then we're gonna go for a little cruise. If you guys want to see the excellent trunk, please refer to my photos at mgmclassiccars.com. It's been tuned perfectly. Everything functions. 25,328 miles. That's what's on the odometer. Restoration doesn't mean have 500 miles on it. And I have all the documents. Runs, drive, stops, excellent as it should. If you guys are looking for a show car that has the go, this Challenger is it. Guys are looking to finance the car, credit scores between 625 and 725 will need 10% down. Anything over 725, no money down loans are available with a little better interest rates, and I can get you that information if needed. If you need delivery, I will need you to call me, text me, email me your zip code for a free quote. Before you do any application, please let's make sure that this car is still available. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the subscribe button on the bottom right hand side. And if you're watching this on Facebook, like it and share it. I don't come across too many of these fully rotisserie restored Challengers or any Mopars. They're getting very hard to find, and they're getting very, very expensive. This car is priced to sell, guys. Look at the market. Come look at my car. I guarantee you you're going to buy it. Bring your checkbook. I am 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport. I'm 45 minutes from Midway Airport. So I'm centrally located here in Addison, Illinois for your convenience. Okay. Oh yeah. Very easy to drive with the front power disc, power steering. Runs, drive, stops, excellent, and it's got the show look, and it's got the go as well. If you would like to see other beautiful classic cars in my collection, go to mgmclassiccars.com. Check out my reviews. Whoever you're going to buy a car from, check out their reviews regardless. But I would like for you guys to check out mine, because we are 100% transparent with what we sell, and my reviews speak for themselves. You can check out all the happy customers that I have. My name is Thomas, and I'm coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com. I welcome third-party inspectors as well, or you can come for yourself, and I will take you for a test drive in the car. My number is 847-848-1850. We're going to head back to the warehouse now, where I have at least 70 plus beautiful, beautiful cars that I handpick throughout the country. Open sesame. Okay. Here's a little sneak peek of the other stuff we have, or what's coming up as well. Don't forget, mgmclassiccars.com, and don't forget to bookmark it. We got new arrivals daily. We'll talk soon. Thanks for watching.